You ever walk into a room and forget why you're there, or open your notes, read the same sentence 5 times, and still have no idea what it said? Be honest. Have you ever studied for 3 hours and then blanked out during the test? Yeah, same. But here's the part nobody tells you. Your memory isn't bad. It's just being trained the wrong way. And once you understand that, you can improve your memory starting today, not next month, not after buying some course. Today, let me explain. Most students think memory is about trying harder. So they reread, highlight, rewrite notes over and over. Feels productive, right? It's not. Your brain doesn't remember what you repeat, it remembers what you retrieve. Big difference. When you reread a page, your brain goes, oh yeah, that looks familiar. And familiarity feels like learning. But during an exam, familiarity disappears because your brain never practiced pulling the information out. It only practiced looking at it. So here's the first upgrade. Tonight, after you study something, close the book. Literally close it. Then ask yourself, what do I remember? Not what looks familiar. What can I say out loud without looking? You'll probably struggle. Good. It's like a workout. If it feels slightly uncomfortable, it's working. And here's the crazy part. 5 minutes of recall beats 30 minutes of rereading. Try this with one chapter tonight. Just one. Don't overdo it. We're building systems, not burnout. Now, here's where most people mess up again. They study once and expect to remember it forever. That's not how memory works. Your brain deletes information that feels unimportant. And how does it decide what's important? Repetition over time, not cramming, spacing. If you learn something today and review it tomorrow for 5 minutes, your retention almost doubles. Review it again 3 days later, even stronger. A week later, locked in. You don't need 3-hour sessions. You need 5-minute refreshes. Imagine studying like this instead of pulling all-nighters. Less stress, more control, better grades. And if you're a creator trying to stay consistent, same principle. If you forget ideas, forget scripts, forget what worked on your last video, it's not because you're distracted, it's because you're not revisiting your own thoughts. Keep a tiny idea recall session once a week. Open your notes, close them. Recall your best hooks from memory. You'll start thinking sharper automatically. But wait, there's something even more powerful. You're probably trying to remember boring information. Dates, definitions, formulas. Your brain hates boring, so give it emotion. Instead of memorizing a history date like 1776, picture something dramatic. Fireworks exploding, a loud declaration being shouted, make it exaggerated, weird, emotional. Emotion glues memory. That's why you remember embarrassing moments from 5 years ago, but not what you studied yesterday. Your brain prioritizes feeling. So when you study, ask, how can I make this dramatic? Turn biology processes into mini stories. Turn formulas into tiny visuals. Turn vocabulary into funny mental images. It feels childish. It works. And here's another upgrade nobody talks about. Your memory collapses when your brain is overloaded. Scrolling for 45 minutes, then trying to study, then checking notifications, then replying to messages. You're frying your attention. Memory is built on focus. So before studying, do this tiny reset. Put your phone in another room. Set a 25-minute timer. Tell yourself, for 25 minutes, I only care about this. That's it. When your attention sharpens, your memory sharpens with it. Now, here's something that might surprise you. Sleep is not optional for memory. When you sleep, your brain literally reorganizes information from the day. It decides what to keep and what to delete. If you stay up until 2 a.m. watching videos, you're telling your brain none of this matters, and then you blame your memory. Try this instead. Study. Do recall. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Watch what happens. You'll wake up remembering more than you expected. It feels like cheating. It's biology. Now, let's stack everything. Step 1. Study normally for a short session. Step 2. Close everything. Recall out loud. Step 3. Review for 5 minutes tomorrow. Step 4. Sleep properly. Step 5. Add emotion or visuals to boring info. That's it. No crazy brain hacks, no expensive supplements, no genius routine. Just simple principles done consistently. And here's the deeper truth. When you improve your memory, you improve your confidence. Because the real stress isn't studying. It's the fear of forgetting. It's sitting in class hoping you remember. It's filming a video hoping you don't blank out. It's starting a habit and forgetting why you started. Memory builds identity. If you can trust your brain, you move differently. You raise your hand more. You speak more clearly. You create more con. You speak more clearly. You create more consistently. and that changes everything. So don't try to fix your entire life tonight. Just test one thing. After this video, pick one topic you studied recently, close your notes, recall it, even if you only remember 40%. That 40% will grow faster than passive rereading ever could. Then review it tomorrow for 5 minutes. Small system, big results. You're not bad at remembering. You've just been practicing the wrong method. Switch the method. Watch your brain level up. Try this tonight. And if it works even a little, stick with it for a week. Let's build sharp minds. Let's build real confidence. Let's level up together.